Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to permanently delete your Roblox account. Before we start, it's important to understand one thing: deleting your account is permanent. Once it's removed, you lose your items, Robux, friend list, and all account data. It cannot be recovered. So make sure you are completely certain before moving forward. So the most reliable method is through the Roblox support form. First of all, open a browser, then go to roblox.com/home. Now scroll down, then click help. Now you will see the support page. Now click Roblox account. Keep scrolling or select one from here. I need help, or account session protection, or hacked. So now scroll down, click the customer support option. Now look for section labeled issue details. Choose your device like PC, then select data privacy request from here. After that, choose right to be forgotten as the subcategory. So in the description box, clearly state that you want to permanently delete your Roblox account. Submit the form. After that, the important part is enter your personal email address for 2 times, then click continue. After sending your request, Roblox may email you to verify your identity. This is a normal step to confirm that you are the account owner. Once verified, they will process the deletion. It may take a few days to complete. And that's how you delete your Roblox account. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe the TechtorialPoint channel.